The Art of Laziness, say how to work less and achieve more. Inspired by The Art of Laziness. Welcome to the Reading Library Mindset. Are you tired of endless hustle culture? What if being lazy could actually make you more productive? This book challenges everything we've been told about success and shows how smart laziness of working efficiently, not endlessly, leads to better results. Free book download. Get your free book now. Click the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable, share it with friends who work too hard, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The hidden power of laziness. Society glorifies hard work. We are taught that the only way to succeed is through long hours and constant effort. But what if that's wrong? Some of the most successful people, entrepreneurs, inventors, and thinkers, weren't just hard workers. They were strategic about their energy. They found ways to do more with less. This is the art of laziness, and not about being unproductive, but about working smarter, not harder. The smart versus the busy worker. Let's meet two employees, Alex and Ben. Alex believes in hustle. He works late, answers every email immediately, and takes on extra tasks, thinking it will get him ahead. Ben is lazy. He automates repetitive tasks, focuses only on high-value work, and delegates anything that doesn't need his attention. At first, Alex looks like the more dedicated employee. But over time, Ben, who works fewer hours, achieves more because he isn't constantly exhausted. By the end of the year, Alex is burned out, frustrated, and barely ahead. Ben is rested, productive, and has been promoted. This is the power of strategic laziness. Key lessons from The Art of Laziness. 1. Productivity is about focus, not effort. Most people confuse being busy with being productive. The key is doing fewer things but doing them well. Prioritize high-impact tasks over busy work. Learn to say no to unnecessary commitments. 2. Automate, delegate, eliminate. Why do something manually when it can be automated? Use tools and systems to cut down repetitive tasks. Delegate anything that doesn't require your personal attention. If something doesn't add value, eliminate it. 3. Rest is a productivity tool. Working non-stop isn't a badge of honor. The brain needs rest to perform at its best. Take strategic breaks to reset your focus. Sleep well. A lack of rest destroys efficiency. Work in short, intense bursts instead of long, draining sessions. 4. The 80-20 rule, less work, more results. The Pareto principle states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Identify the 20% of your work that brings the biggest impact. Cut out or delegate the rest. 5. Success is about energy, not time. It's not about how many hours you work, it's about how much energy you have during those hours. Exercise, eat well, and take mental breaks to maximize efficiency. Avoid burnout. Working tired is like running on an empty battery. Final thought, work less, achieve more. Hard work has its place, but smart work wins in the long run. Laziness isn't the enemy, it's the secret weapon of the highly efficient. Instead of working longer, work smarter. Instead of doing everything, do what matters most. Your challenge: pick one area of your life and apply strategic laziness. Automate, delegate, or eliminate something that wastes your time. See how much more productive you become. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like and share this with someone who works too much. Subscribe for more life-changing insights. Download your free book now. Link in description. Let's master the art of laziness together.